Friday, good morning, everybody. Hello, hello. We got a little less than 2 minutes until the market opens up today. Doing a little live stream since I will be leaving early again this morning. So thank you for everybody that is here or watching later or going to be here. Been a really, really good week. If you guys have been watching the videos, I'm sure you know. And I'm going to just try to not mess it up today. So that's the goal with less than a minute to go here until market opens. Kind of watching PDD here out of the opening gate. I actually almost traded this yesterday right out of the open, and it would have worked out well. And had I been able to get that one, maybe would have had that $1,000 day yesterday. But as it is, other than that, just going to be waiting for the alerts from the scanner and go from there. Hope everyone else is having a good trading week. Get the coffee flowing. And get ready to go today. Looks like everything's working fine. Yep, ready to roll. TME also been moving a bunch in the early goings. Maybe get a opening pop again here, TME. Get a chance here. TME runs up through 13.
SMCI.
SMCI, I'm going to mute you. You made a crazy down move yesterday. Like early afternoon or something, dropped like 100 points in the matter of minutes. It was nuts. Don't know what the news was, never looked. EMEA.
BMEA.
All moving again this morning. We definitely need a move up higher there.
BMEA.
BMEA is a little bit all over the place. Why is my volume so loud? Turn that down.
UNH.
SMMT, a little bit of dumpy out of the gate here.
UNH.
MP, not much happening yet. QS. Range isn't that great. AUR. Zim, a little bit of a pop here. What's the volume like? 300K. Looks like it's actually breaking out here on the daily chart over 24.
UNH. UNH.
WBA. Zim kind of just sitting there. WBA, Walgreens, a little bit of a move here. I'd probably want 9.
UNH.
HTHT, not much. UNH, I'm going to mute you.
Or.
AUR volume is extremely light. Seal, no thank you. PGY, Pagaya Technologies. Don't know if I've ever heard of that one. In a big down move from yesterday. Toast. Toast is moving a little bit. Check the shares here. I've never traded Toast before, I don't think. Plenty. Where would I want it? Maybe through 29.50?
RKLB.
RKLB is moving. Rocket Lab,
PGY.
plenty there. Maybe if that one pushed up a little bit higher towards 940. Toast kind of slowing down here. KLB daily chart, super big move there recently. Just like a month or so ago, it was down at $4.
RKLB up.
Just
PGY.
nothing really moving that fast right now.
BMEA. BMEA.
I don't know if I want to mess with BMEA. LUNR moving a little bit. Check these shares. Plenty. Probably want 840 though, honestly. But just volume is light today. Zim, a little bit of a move here. See if it makes a push up through 2450.
MNPR.
All right, it's through 2450 for a second.
MNPR.
Looking for some continuation through there. LUNR now moving better.
MNPR.
See if it gets up through 840 here.
Order partially
All right,
filled.
gonna try and jump in here. Got 133 share fill there at 846.
LUNR. MNPR.
133 share fill there of 300. If it comes down 20 cents, I'll just have to take it and be sad that I didn't get the full fill.
IONQ.
IONQ moving as well. Only 41k shares there right now.
IONQ. IONQ. Saba.
Order filled.
All right, just gonna have to take that
Order
there.
cancelled.
Unfortunately, only got 1/3 fill there on LUNR.
IONQ. Saba. LUNR dollar, only 1/3 fill.
Would have been alright had I gotten the
IONQ.
full fill.
Saba. IONQ 40K.
What's happening
IONQ,
here?
SOFI, ATGL, IONQ, GOTU,
Beautiful
SOFI,
chart, just didn't get the
ONCO,
full fill there. That happens sometimes. Maybe it'll come back up and give us
IONQ,
another shot at some
SOFI,
point.
GOTU, ONCO,
GOTU. Still within the initial range there, kind of all over the place.
GOTU, ONCO, SOFI,
ONCO, what in the world? No shares there anyway. Mute that one.
GOTU, SOFI,
Wolf moving a little bit. I need a pop through 10
GOTU,
there.
SOFI,
Check the shares.
GOTU, SOFI,
Plenty of shares on Wolf.
ATGL, SOFI, ATGL, SOFI,
Baba moving.
GOTU, ATGL,
ATGL traded that one yesterday.
IONQ lunch so far. Q up.
QCUE. Check the shares here. Biotech stock only 52K.
52K.
I got a 1/3 fill. I didn't get the fill. Still wouldn't have been
ATGL.
850, but IONQ moving again. Shares are light. Might give it a shot if it gets through 950. It would have to be smaller size because of the share situation. $39K currently available. IONQ. It's going to run through 950. Here comes 950. Can I get through? All right, looking for some kind of a continuation here.
IONQ.
Shares still holding 38K now. I was looking for a little bit more than that on that 950 pop.
IONQ.
Now I would need further, probably into the 970s at least. Shares down to 33K.
IONQ.
SLR, not much there yet.
IONQ.
Food 2 moving down. So is the market, it looks like. Definitely a slower start this morning than the last few days. Going into the weekend. Mm-mm-mm.
IONQ 28K remains.
Yeah, probably gonna have to just avoid that one at this point. Shoo, it's slow.
TCJH up.
TCJH. Yeah. TCJH. Plenty. We've got up towards 70 cents.
TBIO.
Put 1,000 out at 69 if it gets up there quickly.
TBIO.
All right, he's going to get up and fill me at 69.
Order filled.
Okay, in there. 1,000 shares at 69 cents. See what it wants to do. See if it gets up through 75. Otherwise, I would just put all 1,000 out at 59 in case it makes a fast move down.
ESTA. 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 IONQPLS have shares at 10.20.
All right, coming back down. I think I'm just going to leave my order down there at 59, see if it can retrace here. Give it a few minutes and then reevaluate from there. Oh, there
Order
we go.
filled.
And hey, got it. I'll take that. 1,000 shares there, up and down.
TCJH we. TCJH $.
All right, got a trade in there. Now we're moving a little bit. OCGN, not too much there yet. ZK, Zeker, Intelligent. I don't know about that. Esta, not much. PDD is pushing up nicely. See if it can maybe get some stronger speed in. Where would I want it would be the question. MNSO moving. What is this? Miniso Group Holding Limited American Depository Shares, each representing blah 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 blah. Multiple billions on the float there. What's up, Devil's Coins? Yeah, still here. Still going. Despite what many would like to see. Doing a little live stream today because I will be leaving earlier than normal and won't have time to do the full video edit now. So figured we'd just live stream it up today. Been a hell of a week. Trying to end strong today. At least not below it would really be the goal. Decent start so far.
Serve.
Only got a 1/3 fill on that LUNR trade, unfortunately. Serve, SERV. Robotics, only 10K
Serve
available.
10K.
Yep, David just said it. So can't trade it. VST moving a little. Coffee's tasting good this morning. I don't know why. It's not even my best coffee either. It's actually because some of my worst coffee. But for some reason today, it tastes good. Maybe because the week has been so good to me. GDD still running. Hasn't made that big fast move yet. Look at the daily chart there on PDD. I don't know what kind of news they just came out with. Obviously something. Was just down at $90 4 days ago. Now at 137. What's my riot doing? Kind of hanging out. My riot is finally currently in the money. In my Roth IRA. Looking for more though. OSCR.
MEGL GoGo.
Interesting move, but bit thin there. MEGL. Very thin. Let me check what kind of buying power restrictions they probably have on this thing in IB. No, actually decent.
Order cancelled.
Sad that that's how I have to check, by putting orders out above. I just don't know if the volume's going to be there for this one. What time is it? 9:55? Alright, still got about 35, 40 minutes or so until I got to go. Whoa. What happened to ACHC today? Acadia Health? Isn't Acadia a big company? Okay, healthcare, something investigating. Oh, being investigated if they committed security fraud, or other unlawful business practices. Okay, that's probably not great.
TCJH out all.
Oh dang, look at that thing dump off. I was happy to take my 10-cent move there with my 1,000.
GOEVNTB.
See if I can't find another trade this morning before I leave. Go check in on Tim now that I got a minute.
Scott will be Scott, yeah. As of right now, that is my approach. Scott will be Scott. We're too tired to stream play. I'm starting.
Looks like he's having a small day. Market is quite slow, so that makes sense. EPLD. This one's been moving a lot recently. I don't remember what the share situation is. Says we have plenty. The range is not that great. Is there buying power restrictions? Yes. Major.
APLDBP issues.
So won't be trading that one. Go ahead and mute it on the scanner.
I can't even.
Sava all over the place today. UXIN. Gotta hit them when they come today, because it is slow out there. Feel pretty fortunate to have gotten 2 trades in, even though that first one didn't give me the fill I wanted. Yeah, should have been more, but I only got a 1/3 fill on that LU and R first trade, and I freaking top ticked that thing too. Look at Look at that entry, which is why I only got a 1/3 fill, but
IONQ out all.
would like some more though. Really, really good week. Want to end strong. Some kind of crypto news happening. We're moving crypto. Cost. Did they have earnings or something come out yesterday? Looks like they did. Yep. Hutu moving again. Would need much more than that. Probably, honestly, like 85. Hey, Farzad, I think is how you say it. Sorry if I said it wrong. Thank you.
TBIO.
I think you're the one who asked me about the scanner settings. I'm gonna try and get a video out about that next week. I gotta set it all up because I don't have it currently where you can see more than just those 2 scans that I have on the screen, but I have what do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 actually up, and then the 2 chat rooms. So it's really like 9 total that I'm using out of it. Market making a move. Is it 10 o'clock? Yes, some kind of market news out there this morning. Some type of numbers or somebody talking. Yeah, did you see the move in SMCI intraday yesterday? Dropped like 100 points in like 10, 15 minutes. It was nuts. I didn't see what the news was on that, but I saw the move. LUNR moving back up here. Maybe it'll give a run for round 2. DOJ investigating? Gotcha. So that's kind of like the other one we just looked at, who's getting looked at for securities fraud too. Everybody cheating. Shocker. Yeah, that's crazy. Midday news like that too on it. Normally that kind of stuff comes out in the morning or after the market's closed. Just out on 30K. Yeah. I don't know if I don't think I would. Well, obviously wouldn't have traded it because I saw it happening, but it was a little too scary for me. WFC, yeah, I got WFC a little bit at least. What did it end up doing yesterday, the rest of the day? I actually kind of just went sideways most of the day after that initial move, huh? Market making a new high on the SPY. Q's moving up towards the highs. Whatever that news was that came out at 10. I never look nor care. I just know the time.
MNPR.
NPR. For some reason, I feel like this is one that is not actually in play.
MNPR.
I'm gonna go ahead and mute you, MNPR. Not gonna be trading you today. RKLB making the sun run over the last 3 days. PCE numbers. Yeah, always some kind of numbers. Some kind of numbers. Holy, Win. What did Win do recently? Is MGM doing similar? Oh, a little bit. Saw the China stimulus news and took a play Monday on Baidu for a quick 100%. Now 1300%. Shoo! Shoo! Trade a lot of options. Yeah, I do sometimes, but honestly not that often. I really try and sell more covered calls in my Roth IRA than anything, just for free monies. But I've never really been able to nail like the swings on them for those big returns like that.
RKLB vertical.
Yeah, sure is. Where could I take a play at this point is the question. 1040 probably would need that kind of an extension, which is probably not going to happen based on how the chart has moved so far. Cover calls free money as long as you go far enough out so you don't get exercised enough to pay yourself. Yeah. I generally try and sell them like in the same week. Like on Monday or Tuesday, I try and sell them for Friday and just have them expire quickly. They don't obviously return as much, but if I don't actually want them to get exercised, that's generally how I do it. Let's start a riot.
MNPR2K, pass.
Yeah. So, I mean, the daily chart is beautiful. RKLB for a short. One of the guys in the room would honestly probably swing this thing short. But, I don't really do that yet. Maybe once my account's bigger one day. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the comments and you stopping in this morning as well. Joby. Nothing much there. And Joby, GCT moving a little, not too much. RKLB, you silly girl. You silly girl. If it makes a quick 1040 move, I would consider it, but it's got to get at least into the 1040s here. Because this thing is climbing. MSTR and coin. I actually have removed coin from my trading list because IB has ridiculous buying power restrictions on it pretty much all the time. I used to watch coin almost every day. It was on one of my side charts over here. But now, it's gone. Yeah, IB is ridiculous with their buying power restrictions sometimes. It's crazy, crazy. And like, I get it, you want to protect yourselves, but just make it easy to see, like, what the actual restriction is. That's my main complaint. It's like, if you want to restrict something, fine, but just make it easy for us to see what it is. Instead of having to put out these fake orders because I can't do it quickly with the way that your system currently works. That's the news? That can't be the only news. Sending it that high. I don't even know what Rocket Lab does. Like, that name could be so many different things. It's got rocket in it, it's got lab in it, like a biotech stock. I have no idea. Rocket Lab is an aerospace company which engages in the development of rocket launch and
ACHC.
control systems for the space and defense industries. So what you're telling me is aliens are coming. That's what I just read.
ACHC.
Since RKLB is going nuts, they are doing space defense. We are being attacked by aliens. Makes sense?
ACHC.
DJT. Yeah, DJT is another one that we always have a bunch of restrictions on as
ACHC.
well. And that thing went up to like $80. Whew. Market coming back down now. New lows in the queues. Time is it? 10:13. I got about 15 minutes or so left in me, gents. That's all I got today, so I'm glad I at least got some trades in for the stream. Made a little bit of money. Still would like another one, but we'll see if anything comes or not. Yeah, I got a short day today. I'm heading out to do a bunch of house errands and such. Which is why I'm doing the live stream, so I don't have to worry about editing a video and all that, because that takes time. No work tonight. I work tomorrow, and I actually won't be here at all next week, unfortunately. Will not be here next week, so I'm going to try and put together at least a video or two of trading-related stuff. but won't be trading next week, which is a shame because I'm on the hot streak. I don't want to cool it off. Oh, do I have a chance to win $205 on Tim's stream right now? Oh, I'm in. Get out of here. Bump. Sad. Crypto trade, yeah. Tim's doing marbles on his stream. Volatility trading for like $200 right now. The jackpot's up to, but it's like a death map. It's extremely hard to win. Yeah, I still own, I don't know, like 3 million Shibas. I don't even know what it's at. I never really look at it because it's always down. I don't think I'm up. Let me look. Where do I have it? Coinbase. Oh, it's raising up recently. I think I'm around break even now. What day? All. Yeah. Well, maybe up slightly. But it's supposed to go to $1, right? And then I'll just be a millionaire and not have to worry about any of this. Yeah, I thought about it on that spike. That was a big spike. But I was like, what am I gonna sell it for? Like $100 when I got 3 million shares, and this is either it goes crazy one day or it just sits there forever type thing. So, I mean, I've had that for years now. I feel like I don't even remember when I bought it. Like at least 2 years, I feel like I've had it. I forget I have it a lot of times. Completely forget. WBA. Yeah, I actually looked at it on this move this morning, but it didn't quite do enough for me. Certainly overextended, but not my type of move in it currently. MEGL moving a little bit again. Ugh. The volume though is the issue on this one. Maybe if it got up to like 75 cents, I could give it a stab. Actually hit the 200 moving average right there at, is that 66, 67, 66 it looks like, 200 moving on the daily chart. Q2 keeps getting a little perky and then dying off. Well, there's the dumpy dump anyway.
UXIN.
DJT pullback. Yup, yup, yup. UXIN. What are the shares like there today,
UXIN.
just in case? Plenty, 260K.
UXIN.
Yeah, I would definitely need a nice
UXIN.
pop through the highs on UXIN. I have 328.5.
UXIN. ATGL.
ATGL getting perky again today. Oh, is it
ATGL.
gonna halt? The problem is what it did in pre-market. Hard to short it at
ATGL.
this level when it got up to 480 in pre-market. Let me look at the shares here. I think I would like it to halt and then open higher.
ATGL. 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 ATGL.
All right, I got 10 minutes, everybody. 10-minute countdown till I'm out of here. Appreciate y'all stopping by today.
ATGL.
Maybe UXIN can make a
ATGL.
move here before I go. It's not halted yet. I was saying maybe
ATGL.
ATGL is going to halt and then open higher. Hey, thanks, Brandon. Appreciate it.
ATGL.
Still wish I could have gotten a full fill on that LUNR trade, but is what it is when you're top ticking things.
ATGL.
UXIN at the highs. Is it going to break through?
ATGL. ATGL. ATGL.
Trying to break them down there on the level 2. 6, 4, 2. Is it going to go? Nope, back to 9. GCT. I did look at that earlier, yeah. It's stair-stepping. They're up 12% today. Oh, here it goes. It's going to run. Run up into the 340s here, UXIN. Come on, keep going. You made the pop through. Now get some momentum. or stall. All right, gonna continue pushing or not? Need it to go. Don't want it to rest on its laurels. Doesn't look like it's going to. Just pop into death. ACHC, is that the one that was down huge? Yeah. Yeah, that's Acadia. They're the ones that are being looked at for securities fraud and other unlawful activities. W getting a little bit of a pop here. Wayfair. You got just what I need. I would definitely need it up through 58.
ACHC.
Speak of the devil. There he is.
ACHC.
I'm not going to be trading you, Acadia. Mute. ICG getting slapped today. GCT still rolling. But I don't think that's going to be any more trades for me, gents. So I do appreciate y'all being here. I at least got 2 trades in today. Made a little bit of money. Really good week. Unfortunately, like I said, will not be here next week. So I'll see if I find time to get a video or 2 out about some other stuff for y'all. But if not, I will see you, I guess, in a week and a half on the following Monday, I think. I don't actually know my schedule past next week, so I'll have to look at that. But yeah, appreciate y'all being here. Have a great trading day. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you later.